Good day, everyone, and welcome to Inquirer Mobility. I'm your host, Artie Lopez, and this is your Mobility Quick Drive. This time, I've got my clammy hands behind the wheel of the 2021 Maxus D60. Now, if you're not familiar with the nameplate or the model, that's because Maxus Philippines have yet to introduce officially to the public the Maxus D60. D60 is a medium-sized SUV. That's the closest you can classify it, and it's nice, and it's actually great that Maxus has been releasing different nameplates of different configurations, considering they've only been around quite recently. They started off with the Maxus G10, which is a luxurious MPV. They also have the V80, which is a very versatile and large people mover, good for businesses as well, different configurations. They have the T60, which is a pickup, large pickup, very hardy. And of course, they also have the G50, which is a cross between a crossover and an MPV. So now they have this D60, which is a bona fide SUV. Well, the Maxus D60 only has two variants, and this happens to be the Maxus D60 Pro. The higher model at the top of the line variant would be the Maxus D60 Elite. Now, there are not a lot of differences between the two, but the differences are significant, and I'm going to be discussing that later on. But both variants are powered by a single top engine. That would be a 1.5 liter inline-4 turbocharged gasoline engine, and it's mated to a 7-speed dual clutch automatic transmission.
So now Maxus has finally brought in an SUV in their lineup, and a very good looking one at that. All that's lacking now to cover all the bases would be a sedan. But since our market has a love affair with crossovers and SUVs, I'm sure they're not in a hurry. The Maxus D60 is a welcome addition from the brand, and it's looking like it's focused on providing a sleek and handsome ride with the most essential features only, shaving off on what they perceive as features we can do without to come up with a very compelling price range. The biggest difference between the Pro and the Elite variants is the seating capacity. The Pro is a 5-seater, while the Elite is a 7-seater. The Pro is equipped with 17-inch alloy rims, while the Elite has 18-inch rims. The Elite also has keyless entry with push start, while the Pro does not. Its infotainment system has 6 speakers and an 8-inch touchscreen with Bluetooth connectivity, but no Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. No panoramic moonroof either. It has a reverse camera, but no 360-degree all-around view. Its air conditioner only has a single-zone climate control, but thankfully it has rear AC vents. The inline-4 turbocharged gasoline engine of both the Pro and Elite variants of the Maxus D60 has an output of 169 PS and 250 Nm of torque with an automatic DCT or dual-clutch transmission. Having a secondary clutch makes shift times between gears faster and smoother, and it also aids in fuel efficiency. Driving the D60 for a few days, I've found its acceleration a bit lacking in assertiveness or punch, but it does have a smooth nimbleness about it, and its capacity for speed is not lacking. Notable is how shifting is seamless in normal driving situations. I have a bit of a heavy foot, but I'm quite impressed that my fuel consumption under city driving averaged 9 to 11 kilometers per liter, so good points on that. The ride is comfortable, and its handling feels well connected to the road. No excessive body roll, and its dynamics are tight and responsive. I just wish there was less engine noise. Essential features that both variants have are cruise control, a tire pressure monitoring system, an electronic parking brake with auto hold, and electronic stabilization program. With all that, you can look forward to the D60's pricing to be between 1.1 to 1.3 million pesos. Very competitive indeed. So for this compact to mid-sized SUV with great aesthetics, exceptional fuel efficiency, and an impressive set of features for this price tag, I think it's ready to take on the heavyweights of this industry. What do you think?
Well, there you have it. I guess I have to wrap it up because, well, it's not safe to drive at night with a big light in front of your face. So, once again, this has been Artie for the Inquirer Mobility Quick Drive with the 2021 Maxus D60 Pro. It's going to be launched officially by Maxus Philippines in a few days, so you stand by for it. And I'm sure it's going to be one of the best sellers in its category because of its great package. Looks great, fantastic fuel efficiency, It's got the right packaging. I guess with what they shaved off in terms of features is going to reflect on the SRP or the sticker price. So you stand by for that. All right. In the meantime, you stay safe, and I'll see you on the next episode. Ciao.